Hey, what's up guys, welcome. This image is of what could possibly be the OnePlus 7. And if, I don't know, you live under a rock or something, I'm talking about this phone on the left. This one is the OnePlus 6T. This phone seems to have omitted the notch, the bezel, the hole altogether in favor of a sliding camera mechanism. Now there are two things which no one seems to talk about. Exactly what type of slider is this going to be? There are currently two main types of sliding mechanisms. First one is using mechanical motors to bring the chassis up and down like the one present on the Oppo Find X. The second one is the mechanical slider like the one present on the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 when we ourselves have to slide the whole thing. Both of these mechanisms lower the structural integrity of the phone as compared to a regular smartphone, so none of them is ideal. The phone is covered in a plastic protection unit to prevent the design from leaking. We can see the power button and the alert slider on the right, and surprisingly, the alert slider is in red color. The earpiece is also very big compared to the previous models, which I think it might have something to do with dual speakers. The UI also seems pretty much like a Oxygen OS. The image doesn't show the bottom half of the phone, so we can tell how small the bottom bezel is. Now let's talk about credibility of this image. This image doesn't particularly come from a trusted source, and there's a couple of more things. OnePlus 7 is expected to release in mid-May, which is almost 4 months away. And do we usually see a finished product that early?
No.
Then comes the sliding mechanism. It's not so much economical. Oppo Find X costs around the same as the Galaxy Note 9, and OnePlus simply don't compete in that price point. So using this mechanism will make this phone much more expensive. Then there's the point that it's not practical for a mainstream phone. Those phones which have used this kind of designs are not very popular. Plus, this design compromises any potential for water resistance, and even dust, which is present just about everywhere, can harm the mechanisms. So what I think is that, do you remember OnePlus promised a separate 5G phone? This could be that one. And that 5G phone won't have any issue having this design. OnePlus has said that it will be much more expensive, so high price for mechanical part? Check. It won't be a mainstream phone, so less number of phones to break? Check. And people will have an option. If they want a safe phone, go with the OnePlus 7. If you want to show off, go with the 5G version. So again, check. So this is what I think. I think that it will be the 5G variant. I don't know what they are gonna call it, probably OnePlus 7 5G or something like that. So that's my point here. I think it's going to be the OnePlus 5G smartphone, whatever they wanna call it. Let me know guys, do you think that this is the OnePlus 7 or the 5G smartphone? Do consider subscribing for more awesome videos like this one. Hit like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.